1. When is World Environment Day celebrated? A June 1st, B June 3rd, C June 5th, D June 7th. Two. Which organization started World Environment Day? A WHO, B an EPSI, UNDP, WWF. 3. What is the theme of World Environment Day 2024? A. Beat plastic pollution, B ecosystem restoration, C land restoration, desertification and drought resilience, D save the earth. 4. Which country hosted World Environment Day 2024? A. India, B Sweden, C Saudi Arabia, D Kenya. 5. Which year was the first World Environment Day celebrated? A. 1968, B 1973, C 1975, D 1980. 6. What was the theme of World Environment Day 2023? A. Restore the Earth, B beat plastic pollution, C reimagine, recreate, restore, D biodiversity. 7. Which country hosted World Environment Day 2023? A. Canada, B CTE, d'Ivoire, C India, D Brazil. 8. What is the main goal of World Environment Day? A. Celebrate wildlife, B promote space technology, C encourage environmental awareness and action, D increase GDP. 9. Which gas causes the greenhouse effect? A. Carbon dioxide, B oxygen, C nitrogen, D hydrogen. 10. Which of the following is a renewable resource? A. Coal, B petroleum, C solar energy, D natural gas. 11. Which layer protects us from UV rays? A. Ozone layer, B troposphere, C mesosphere, D lithosphere. 12. Which human activity contributes most to global warming? A. Fishing, B planting trees, C burning fossil fuels, D cycling. 13. Which term refers to the variety of life on Earth? A. Ecology, B biodiversity, C pollution, D ecosystem. 14. What is the main cause of deforestation? A. Logging and agriculture, B reforestation, C rain, D volcanoes. 15. Which is a major source of air pollution? A. Solar panels, B electric vehicles, C vehicle emissions, D wind turbines. 16. Which country first banned plastic bags? A. Bangladesh, B India, C USA, D Japan. 17. Which of these can be recycled? A. Food waste, B aluminum cans, C used tissue, D oil. 18. Which of these is a biodegradable material? A. Plastic bottle, B banana peel, C styrofoam, D aluminum foil. 19. What percentage of the Earth's surface is covered by water? A. 50%, B 60%, C 71%, D 90%. 20. Which of the following is not a fossil fuel? A. Coal, B natural gas, C wind energy, D oil. 21. Which country hosted World Environment Day 2018? A. Kenya, B. India, C. USA, D. France. 22. Which of the following affects marine life? A. Tree planting, B. Wind energy, C. Plastic pollution, D. Cloud seeding. 23. Which energy source is the cleanest? A. Coal, B. Diesel, C. Solar, D. Kerosene. 24. Which of the following is an endangered species? A. Bengal tiger, B. Cow, C. Dog, D. Pigeon. 25. Which of these gases is not a greenhouse gas? Oxygen, B. Methane, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Nitrous oxide. 26. What is composting? A. Burning waste, B. Recycling organic matter, C. Mixing chemicals, D. Polluting air. 27. Which method helps conserve water? A. Spraying water during noon, B. Leaving taps open, C. Drip irrigation, D. Flood irrigation. 28. What is the process of planting trees to rebuild forests called? Urbanization, B. Deforestation, C. Reforestation, D. Destruction. 29. Which species is most affected by melting ice caps? A. Camel, B. Giraffe, C. Polar bear, D. Eagle. 30. Which continent has the Amazon rainforest? Africa, B. South America, C. Australia, D. Asia. 31. Which country has the largest forest cover? A. USA, B. Canada, C. Russia, D. Brazil. 32. What does reduce mean in the 3Rs? A. Burn waste, B. Use less, C. Throw more, D. None. 33. Which is a cause of water pollution? A. Walking, B. Industrial waste, C. Tree planting, D. Yoga. 34. Which one is an eco-friendly practice? A. Littering, B. Using cloth bags, C. Plastic packaging, D. Dumping oil. 35. Which of these animals is most threatened by ocean plastic? A. Camel, B. Sea turtle, C. Lion, D. Horse. 36. Which natural resource is limited and non-renewable? A. Sunlight, B. Coal, C. Wind, D. Rainwater. 37. What is e-waste? A. Electronic waste, B. Edible waste, C. Easy waste, D. Emergency waste. 38. Which of these trees is best for absorbing CO? A. Coconut, B. Banyan, C. Neem, D. Mango. 39. Which ocean is the largest? Atlantic, B. Indian, C. Pacific, D. Arctic. 40. Which of these is a waterborne disease? Asthma B. Cholera C. Diabetes D. Arthritis. 41. What is the main component of air? Oxygen B. Nitrogen C. Carbon D. Helium. 42. Which of these is not recyclable? A. Paper B. Plastic C. Metal D. Food waste. 43. Which continent has the most biodiversity? A. Europe B. North America C. South America D. Antarctica. 44. Which of these helps reduce global warming? A. Deforestation B. Tree plantation C. Burning plastic D. Driving petrol cars. 45. Which gas is most responsible for acid rain? Oxygen B. Sulfur dioxide C. Hydrogen D. Helium. 46. Which practice is harmful to the environment? A. Gardening B. Recycling C. Littering D. Conserving water. 47. What does eco-friendly mean? A. Not harmful to the environment B. Easy to use C. Cheap D. High-tech. 48. Which of these is a greenhouse gas? A. Helium B. Argon C. Methane D. Neon. 49. Which is the longest river in the world? Amazon B. Nile C. Ganga D. Yangtze. 50. What is the goal of sustainability? A. Faster production B. Profit making C. Meeting present needs without harming future generations D. Overusing resources.